Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I came back with this look over here. I did this look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I had to get my hands on this palette because I was just, these colors are beautiful, especially that pink color. And then I had to use the that nice turquoise ocean color. So I can't wait to use all the shades in this palette and to create more looks. I can go ahead and do more looks with this palette. If you guys want me to do more looks with this palette, you can go ahead and just leave me a comment below and let me know if you want me to do another look with any of the colors from this palette, and I will. I did not film myself doing my face just because I feel like it's a little boring, and I do it all the time. It's like the same thing. So I literally just filmed my eyes. So if you guys want to know how I got this eyeshadow look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video, and don't forget to leave me a comment below. Okay, hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much. Okay, so I'm going to use my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and I'm just going to put it all over my lid. And I'm going to go ahead and use the new Anastasia Riviera palette. And I'm going to start off in the shade Coastline is the shade I'm using, and I'm just applying it into my crease and using it as my transition color. My heart stopped when I first saw you. And then I'm gonna go in and use the shade Monte Carlo as my next color. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in more towards my outer corner of my eye. I'm focusing it more there, and I'm just using it to deepen up the crease. Now I'm just using some concealer to cut my crease so I can go ahead and apply the shimmer from the palette. I'm really trying to be really precise with this and not mess it up pretty much. So I like going in with a small little pencil brush and going back in with the shade Monte Carlo to sharpen the edges. Now I'm going in with the shade Seychelles. I hope I didn't butcher that. So I'm just using that beautiful shade and applying it all over my lid where I had cut my crease. I'm just using a pencil brush to make sure that stays sharp and clean, and then going back with that previous shade. And then I'm just going in with the shade that dark brown shade to deepen the crease. So I'm just going in and just applying it more towards the outer corner of my eye, and then moving it a little bit towards and above my crease where I had cut, to nicely blend the colors. And as you can see, I like using that pencil brush to make sure I have clean margins. So now I'm going in with my NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to go in with the Anastasia glitter in the shade Party. It goes super good with this look, and I was super excited to use it finally with this eyeshadow look. I thought it went perfect. And I'm just going to go in with my lashes. These are my House of Lashes in the style Iconic Lights. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll come right back to finish the eyes. So I'm going to go back into the Monte Carlo shade, and I'm going to apply it in my lower lash line. I'm mostly applying this in my inner corner and towards the middle.
Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too?
And I'm going to go into the palette again and use that bright pink eyeshadow, Bahamas, in the outer corner of my eye to brighten my under eyes a little bit. So I'm going to line my lips with the MAC lip liner in Spice.
Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me?
I'm just tapping the product in with my fingers to blend it in. And then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Allison and applying it inside my lips. And then I'm going to go in later to lighten the color with the other Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Stripped. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight with my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in Amrezy in this beautiful gold shade. And I like to highlight the high points of my face.